In this video, we'll talk about Leo, also referred to as Unus Sed Leo. It's a utility token that was developed to provide the Bitfinex community more power and to offer advantages to individuals who are interested in maximizing the output and capabilities of the Bitfinex trading platform. Leo is the name of the token. The iOS blockchain and the ERC20 blockchain are utilized in the process of issuing Leo, and as soon as it's published, it's promptly transferred to Bitfinex. On Ethereum as well as on iOS, there have been implementations of token contracts. Therefore, let's move on to the next step, investigating the particulars of the plan they have in store for Unus Sed Leo. Before attempting to get a handle on the Leo currency concept, it's vital to have a strong understanding of the background of both Bitfinex and Tether. This is because the Leo currency concept is based on the relationship between the two. The Paradise Papers leak revealed that the cryptocurrency exchanges Bitfinex and Tether were controlled by the same parent company, Ifinex, located in the British Virgin Islands. Ifinex's headquarters were located in the British Virgin Islands. Both businesses have insisted that this has not been the case throughout the process. The allegations that Bitfinex and Tether have shifted hundreds of millions of dollars to cover up Tether's insufficient fiat reserves led to an additional controversy in the cryptocurrency community. In February 2021, the Office of the New York State Attorney General published the following statement, quote, "Bitfinex and Tether deceived clients in the market by overstating reserves, hiding about $850 million in losses around the globe. Bitfinex was issued a fine of $18.5 million, and as of today, it is no longer authorized to carry on business in New York. In addition, it is needed that both companies hand in quarterly reports to verify that they're adhering to the constraints mentioned above and maintaining the right amount of commercial separation between the two enterprises. This is not the first time Bitfinex's history that the company has found itself in the public relations nightmare. In fact, the cryptocurrency exchange was the victim of a cyber attack in 2016, which resulted in the theft of around 120,000 Bitcoin, ultimately leading to the exchange effectively shutting down its operations. The value of the blacklisted funds, which was $67.46 million at the time, has drastically climbed to more than $5.1 billion currently. The value of the blacklisted funds has more than doubled. Because of the cyber attack, Bitfinex is forced to split these losses among all users who had accounts on the platform. To make amends, customers were offered a one-to-one exchange of BFX token for $1. This token was specifically designed and created. Some people may question whether or not it's wise to engage in the practice of, quote, creating tokens out of thin air to conceal monetary losses. On the other hand, the exchange should be commended because all of the BFX tokens were redeemed within the first 8 months of operation. The process of retrieving stolen bitcoins is now ongoing and is being carried out in collaboration with the United States authorities. In December of 2021, 6.5 BTC were located and retrieved from an unknown location. The Commodities Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, issued the exchange a fine in 2016 for failing to register as a futures commission merchant, which prompted a review of how it conducts business. Additionally, in 2016, the CFTC issued the exchange a warning for failing to register as a futures commissions merchant. The Commission has issued the following statement in response to the investigation. Bitfinex's cooperation with the Division of Enforcement's investigation, and that Bitfinex voluntarily made changes to its business practices to attempt to come in compliance with the CEA, the Commodity Exchange Act. Therefore, what use does the Unus Sed Leo coin have? Its primary purpose was to benefit users of the Ifinex ecosystem, possibly to rebuild trust in the wake of an earlier mentioned concern. All holders are eligible for various discounts while using the Bitfinex trading platform and other Ifinex products. Taker charge reductions, lending fee reductions, withdrawals, and deposit fee reductions are all available discounts. The name itself derives from the Latin phrase Unus Sed Leo, which comes from the Greek fable, the Sow and the Lioness, written by Aesop. This statement, which can be translated as "one but a lion," summarizes the story's lesson, emphasizing the concept of quality over quantity and that the strength and bravery of a single lion cub are more important than those of an entire sow's litter. Putting hubris aside, Bitfinex has been through its fair share of difficulties throughout its existence. Despite this, it continues to be a key participant in the market for cryptocurrency exchanges, with more than 1 million weekly visitors and 173 traded assets. Outside of these holder discounts, there's not much else to speak of regarding the utility of tokens. It's impossible to establish a leverage position with Leo, in contrast to FTX and other tokens offered by exchanges. One thing that sets Leo currency apart from other cryptocurrencies is its lifespan has been purposefully restricted. How exactly does Unus Sed Leo go about accomplishing this goal? Until there are no more tokens in circulation, IFNX has committed 27% of its gross revenues to a buyback program at the current market rates. Given that IFNX is the owner of Tether, it's reasonable to believe that this 27% figure takes into account revenues generated through Tether. Currency.com has requested confirmation that this is the case. According to the white paper, 80% of any Bitcoin stolen in 2016 and subsequently recovered will likewise be contributed to the buyback program. There has been a total of 6.5 BTC recovered thus far. In addition, if IFNX is successful in recovering monies that were lost due to the seizure of the former payment processor, Crypto Capital, by the United States government, 95% of the recovered assets will be allocated to the buyback scheme. Almost 62 million Leo out of the total 1 billion have been consumed, equivalent to more than $230 million. After the white paper for Unus Sed Leo was released May 10th, Bitfinex immediately began a private sale of the tokens and was able to finish it in less than a week. This sale comprised 100% of all the tokens that were still available. They have successfully converted 1 billion USDT worth of Bitcoin USD and USDT into Tether United States dollars. Due to the overwhelming positive response to the token sale and its swift execution, Bitfinex and the larger blockchain community have reached a new milestone. Token holders will enjoy benefits across the entirety of the portfolio, and it's anticipated that it will experience benefits from future initiatives, products, and services as stated in the white paper. The ability to trade on Bitfinex is one more of the benefits of holding Unus Sed Leo, which will become available within the next 3 months, but it's not the only one. A reduction in the taker charge has been introduced on Bitfinex. There will be a 15% overall reduction in taker cost across all tiers of those who hold the token. This reduction will apply to all crypto-to-crypto transfers, including crypto to stablecoin. P2P lenders will receive a free discount equal to 0.05% for every $10,000 USD tethered and Unus Sed Leo tokens kept in the trader's account on average during the preceding month. The discount will be calculated using each day of the month. The maximum value allowed is 5% of the purchase price. Those with more than 50 million Unus Sed Leo tokens will be eligible for a free discount of up to 25% of the cryptocurrency withdrawals and deposits. Holders of more than 50 million US dollars tethered worth to Unus Sed Leo tokens on average in the preceding month, computed using every day in the month, are eligible to withdraw 2 million of the US dollars fiat currency per month without being subject to any additional fees. Any withdrawal greater than 2 million USD in fiat currency every month will incur an extra cost, which will be decreased from 3% to 2%. By downloading their white paper, you may get additional details about the Unus Sed Leo and its benefits. The EOS and ERC20 blockchains are used to issue Unus Sed Leo, and Bitfinex allows for a speedy conversation between the two versions. Aside from that, the coin market cap also has a bit of a description, but it's not as extensive as the previous two. Tokens based on the cryptocurrency known as Unus Sed Leo can be exchanged on the Ethereum network. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to drop a like and subscribe. I'm covering a lot of different coins. Thank you for watching.